Another one.
The Reynolds County Sheriff's Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at Highway 21 and Highway 72, Centerville, Missouri on June 20, 2021 at 10:45 a.m. Abducted was Carter Baker, white, male, age 9, and Grant Baker, white, male, age 7. Suspect vehicle is a white Chevrolet truck. Vehicle has possible Missouri license of 0WDV42. Vehicle/suspect last seen southbound on Highway 21 from south of Centerville. Suspect is Jason Wayne Baker, a white male, 43, 6 feet 0 inches tall, 250 pounds, has brown hair and hazel eyes. Suspect shot the children's mother and left the area with them in his vehicle. Suspect is armed. Please call 911 or Reynolds County Sheriff's Department at 573-648-2491 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.